Is Webull good for day trading? Webull can be a good choice for day trading, particularly due to its commission-free trading and advanced trading tools. The platform's commission-free model for stocks, ETFs, and options helps day traders save on transaction costs, which can be significant when executing multiple trades throughout the day. Additionally, Webull offers a range of advanced tools and features that are beneficial for day trading, including real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and various technical indicators. These features enable traders to analyze market trends and make informed decisions quickly, which is crucial for day trading, where timing is essential. Another advantage of Webull for day traders is its support for extended trading hours, including pre-market and after-hours trading. This allows traders to access the markets beyond regular trading hours and react to news or market movements that occur outside of standard market hours. Webull also provides a paper trading feature, allowing users to practice and refine their trading strategies without risking real money, which is particularly useful for testing new strategies or improving skills. The platform's clean and intuitive interface makes it easy for traders to execute trades quickly and efficiently, which is vital in day trading. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Day traders should be aware of Webull's margin requirements and regulations, especially if using leverage to increase their buying power. Additionally, while Webull offers robust charting tools, it may not provide as extensive research and analysis resources as some other platforms, so traders might need to use supplementary tools or services for in-depth market research. Furthermore, Webull's advanced features might be overwhelming for beginners, as day trading requires quick decision-making and a strong understanding of market mechanics. New traders should be prepared for a learning curve as they become accustomed to the platform's tools and strategies. Overall, Webull can be a strong platform for day trading, offering valuable features and a commission-free model, but it's important for traders to ensure that its offerings and margin policies align with their specific trading needs.